applicable abstract.
Honorable Dean, Professor Dr. Nek Muhammad Shaikh, Professor Dr. Muhammad Hasan, Dr. Sifuar, Professor Dr. Asghar Ali Akro, Professor Dr. Kamal Profar, other faculty members, Professor Dr. Umar Anaz, faculty members, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am introducing Muhammad Kashif Samoon. He is going to revise Ph.D. second seminar. He is currently working as an assistant professor in Center for Pure and Applied Geology. His topic is stratigraphical investigation of foraminifera from late Cretaceous to early Miocene sediments of the southern lower Indus basins. So I invite Mr. Kashif Samoon to present his
map of the Indus Basin. Here you can see the global aspect, and here in the map of Pakistan, the location is put somewhere here. Introduction. The proposed study covers areas or the sediments from late Cretaceous to early Eocene age, specifically the Ranikot Basin and the Lucky Range. The study formation belong to different paleoenvironmental settings and where considerable ground for foraminifera studies. The lower Indus Basin of Pakistan contains a record of marine sediments deposit before and after the KT boundary mass extinction event, providing an opportunity to study the recovery of marine ecosystems in the aftermath of this event. Actually, the KT boundary has been proved or is under the research that it has contributed a lot in so many things, from the transgression and regression of the ancient oceans to the change in the deposition of the preservation of different types of foraminifera and other faunal assemblages. So it contributes a lot in the preservation, and hence there are so many rooms of the research present over there. And apart from that, KT boundary is also famous for the massive mass extinction events, in which so many animals or the living organisms at that time were vanished slowly and gradually due to several reasons. And for the reasons is sometimes are introduced by some other companies. Then the Ranikot group, which is Khadra formation, Bara formation, Laka formation, and then Eocene, which is Lucky formation. So that covers our areas of studies. Now the aims and objectives so far, to describe and compare the foraminifera assemblages, to examine the recovery patterns of the foraminifera, to compare the foraminifera assemblages with the adjoining basins, to reconstruct the paleoenvironmental conditions. Actually, again, that was in the KT boundary, which produced major crisis in the preservation of the foraminifera. And with this study, we will be able to know that what species were destroyed and what species have come altogether into new forms and new shapes. Now the previous work, a lot of our senior scientists and friends have worked over there on different aspects. You can see here, as far as the paleontology or the biostratigraphy or micropaleontology is concerned, Dr. Rai Saab, Dr. Baryar Saab. Here we can see the depositional condition of the foraminifera. Actually, foraminiferas are the smallest, forms of the fossils which belong to class foraminifera, and they live in different types of environments. And as far as the environments of deposition or their living is concerned, they can, according to the exposure of the formation and bedding trends, different instruments were used, geological instruments. After the collection of the samples, we brought them to the lab. The procedure was began with the washing of the samples, then drying into the ovens, and then putting out or sorting out the fossils from them, picking out the fossils from them with the help of a light microscope. Now zoom stereo microscopy, yeah, light microscopy. The collected or the picked fossils were put onto the slides and they were observed under the light microscopes, which is of course you can see here attached with a 50-inch screen, which is very easy to be observed at the lab. So we picked our fossils and observed like this. Now the taxonomic identification. Taxonomic means how with the help of different classification produced Paleocene sequences, that is Khadro formation, Bara formation, and early Eocene, that is Lucky formation. The forms are the fossils from Khadro formation. You can see here. These all belong to the Khadro formation. The foraminiferous study of Bara formation. These are, sir, can I speak your names also? So these fossils are from Bara formations, and you can see here. The point is, now these are from the Lakara formation. The point is to be noted here is that the morphological features are the surface structures of the fossils. If we go to the upper sides, they are improving. Means their physiological or physical features, yeah, surface morphology is improving. That means the living environment at that time was putting them or bringing them some good times to be survived there. You can see here now the Lucky formation. These are the fossils from the Lucky formation. Now the Pub sandstone. Pub sandstone is contain mixed lithology, and due to that the fossil preservation found from the Pub sandstone is very much poor. You can see or observe here that the features are almost disappearing. Now I have also done the scanning electron microscopy of the specimen. Both the morphological features with ACM and ETS, energy dispersal X-ray spectrometry, was also done, and of course I think that is for the first time that I have used the point analysis. You can also see some good fossils. If we go further, you can see some good preservation also. Here you can see some good preservation. The chambers are there, different types of apertures are there, and different structures or made structures can also be formed. Now this is the fossils from the Pub sandstone. As I already told that the preservation of the Pub sandstone fossils is very poor. So you can see that the features are almost disappeared. But still the shape is there. Then this is the fossil from the Khadro formation. You can see here. I have gone through the point analysis, and at that point the composition of this fossil shows that the majority was of calcium, then followed by silicon and aluminum and other elements. So it shows the mixed lithologies. Then this is the fossil of Bara formation. You can see here. Bara formation is also